Yuda Yuda, isang British vlogger na pusong Pinoy. Idol na rin si Bel Mariano at Donnie Pangilinan. Isa rin daw siyang sulit JB fans. Ayon sa kanyang post, first time to meet new gen superstar Bel Mariano was such an honor. She was so nice and humble too. Thanks for taking the time to pose for a photo with me. I'm die-hard fan of See Europe and all the movies. Get to watch you guys done Bell at ASEP Milan before. Hope to see you guys together in London or the UK zone.